I say, I'm coming. I'm coming, you know, holding the horses. Hold on to the horses. I can't see a thing. This thing on, grandson. I can't see a thing. It on? Okay. Hello, everybody. Good to see you. So my name is Titus William Wisdom, and I'm here to give you some words of wisdom. You see, I am Dexter grandfather. I know I don't look me age, but I am Dexter grandfather, and I just have to use them like a platform to talk to people, especially on young people out there. I'm concerned, you know. So my grandson give me a smartphone, give me a new phone. What's it name? iPhone 11. iPhone 11, something to that effect. iPhone 11 or something like that. It have 3 cameras on the back. I'm afraid of this phone, you know. I'm afraid of this phone because I don't know how much people can watch you through them 3 cameras there. Why it have 3 cameras on it? Every phone have one, some don't even have none. Why it want 3? I don't want nobody looking at my body now because I look cool. I think I cool. People want to watch me like David. They watch Bathsheba. So my name, as I said, is Titus. But you can't call me granddaddy.
What? No, grandpa, I can't use that. Can't use that.
Sorry about that. My grandson said I shouldn't use that word. It kind of look a bit inappropriate. So I never know this daddy word, what it mean. Because I hear all of these people using it, you know. And I thought I could use it, but apparently it is not meant for people of my age. As I said, my grandson give me an iPhone 11. And I've been using it, you know. I go on to the YouTube, you know. I go on and I watch medical videos and thing, and me feel, boy, I can't see a thing out of these glasses. I don't know why the doctor prescribed these glasses for me. But anyway, I go onto the YouTube and I watch medical videos, you know, and I enjoy myself. Me watch little Discovery Channel and the dolphin, they must swim. Me say, I laugh till like a week. One of them dolphin, him start misbehaving in the water. But yes, I watching the YouTube, and I think it's something come up in the, what it come up in the feed? It come up in the, I don't know, I see the video come up on the screen. And it says something like recommended for me. So I click on it. Especially because the name say WAP. And I have a friend named WAP, you know. So I thought probably WAP put a video up on the YouTube because our young people are very creative, you know. So I click on this WAP video. And oh my God, I nearly faint. I feel like I would grab off my belt and just start to walk. Sorry about that, sorry. It's just that me very upset, man. I'm very upset. One of them name Meg Thee Stallion. Is your ass? You name Meg Thee Stallion. And the next one name Cardi G.
Grandpa, Cardi B, she name. Cardi B.
I don't care if I A, B, C, or D, she name. What are you doing with yourself, young people? I look at them and I concerned about this time. We're not talking about WAP. I can't even tell you what it means. I go and look it up on the Google. I look it up on the Google and I astonished. I am surprised about these young people nowadays and what we're not taking into the system. These young people injecting concrete into their body.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here!
My grandson says it's not concrete, but I don't care. Them injecting things into themselves to make them bottom look bigger. You don't think this is what the Lord wants for you, no? You don't think this is what this life is worked out to be? Let me give you some words of wisdom. You don't stop it. Because it's not the same they leave cold water bottom it rotten. It's not the same they want to put that thing into the body. It is going to decay. I must tell you though that while watching this video, I feel some things in my body that I have never felt before. Well, at least not in the last couple of years. Grandson, come take this YouTube thing off of my phone because I'm not going to be caught into no issues. Take it off of my phone now. Before you know what, make I leave this place. Words of wisdom for no young people.